Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can calculate Cohen's d using SPSS for one sample. If you have version 27 or later, I have a separate video because there it can be done quite quickly. With earlier versions you will have to actually do a little bit of computation in a separate file. But okay, it's not too complicated. It's an effect size measure for then a single scale variable, so I'm going to be using age as my example here, and I will be needing actually three values. Actually two only. Analyze, then descriptive statistics, and select frequencies. Then we select the value of interest, so the variable of interest, the age. And under statistics we want to see the average, the mean, and we want to see the standard deviation. Click on continue. I don't actually need to see the frequency table, so I can unselect that one and click on OK. Now these are the values that we're going to be needing, and I need a new data file, so go back to my data, Control N for a nice empty data file. Let me put that like here, and let me place the output there so we can see both. In the variable view of the new data file, I'll simply select the values that I need, which is the mean and the standard deviation, and in the data view we'll enter those. So we're basically gonna copy these two, double click on this, click on the value. If you want, you can go for cell format and increase the number of decimals, and double click on this, right click or just do a Control C, and that's going to be the mean, and paste that in there. Oh, sorry, need to click on there. Yep, and we're going to say here that's that one. Now we can do the same for the standard deviation. If you like, again we can add the number of, increase the number of decimals, right click, Control C, and we go back here, and now we have the standard deviation. That's all we needed actually, because now the Cohen's d is fairly straightforward. We need a hypothesized median, hypothesized mean. So let's say a hypothesized mean, or the mean according to the null hypothesis. I'm going to be using 50 as an example. And now we can finally calculate Cohen's d using transform, compute variable. I'm going to call this variable d, and it's simply going to be between parentheses the difference between the sample mean minus the hypothesized mean, and all of that gets divided by the standard deviation. We click on OK, and we have ourselves a Cohen's d. And as you can see, there are more decimals, but that's how you can calculate Cohen's d using SPSS, or, well, not directly, with a little bit of help with compute. Okay, and that's it. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching.